What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been gone for a long time. It's been like 3 or 4 months since I've uploaded a video on my channel, and it's just because I have been like dealing with school and like just college stuff and trying to get everything like squared away with all of that, like classes, making good grades and all that type of stuff. So that's part of the reason I've been gone, and the other reason is because like I felt like it was a point in time where that period of time where I just felt like I lost motivation for like things, for like uploading, because I felt like I didn't have like good video ideas to like upload and stuff. So it's just like I just like left it alone for a while and just started trying to think of like just sit back and just think about stuff and like what I wanted to do. I don't know, it was just like me dealing with school and having to focus so much on my schoolwork. It's like I just felt like I had no time to record, and it aggravated me because I really did want to record, but it's like I couldn't because I was in school. I stay on campus, I had a roommate, so it was just like there was no time for me to record. So that is like another reason why I've been gone. But I'm about to start back uploading. I'm out of school right now for Christmas break or whatever, and I go back in January, and hopefully I don't get a new roommate because my roommate left and she's not coming back. So so right now I basically have a room to myself, and if I have a room to myself, I will definitely be uploading a lot more. Hopefully, that's why I'm just praying I don't get another roommate, because it's like I have like so many ideas. Like this time I've been gone, I had so many like so many ideas have come to my head, like that I wanted to do, that I wrote down and everything. Like even at school, like videos that I want to record at school, like new series that I want to put on my channels, and like different stuff like that. And so I'm just hoping that everything is just stays how it is right now, and I can just have the room to myself so I can have time to record and just have like my own space. And like, you know, just like when I have my own space, like I just feel like I can think better, and like I can just think and not have to worry about people like just there and just in my space, like, you know. And I'm in a small room too, so it's like I just have to like I don't want to be up under anybody like that. I just want to be by myself. Like that's how I like to be. If I'm not with family or with my best friend, I just like to be by myself. Or like with my, you know, with my boyfriend, I'm just by myself, and that's how I like it. So that's basically what's been going on. I just, you know, I just been having to get my thoughts and everything together, and I feel like I don't know, I just like I don't know, like it's 2018 is coming, and like I feel like that is my year. And I feel like you see a lot of people say that, and they just be like, oh yeah, new year, new me, all of this. But no, like you're really gonna see a difference. Like hopefully everything, I'm just praying, I just keep praying that everything stays the same, like how it is now, because I really want to be recording like constantly and be very, very consistent. Like I want to at least be able to like upload something like 3 times a week, like on YouTube 3 times a week. Like I just really feel better. One reason why I feel better is because I know for a fact that I have a support system. I have a support system in my family. Like I feel like I have the best support system. They get stuff for me for YouTube, like because they know that's what I want to do. They know how I want to be and how I want to live, and it's just like I just really don't want to settle for anything less. Like, and I'm not going to do that. I'm not. So that's one reason why I feel very good. And it's like I had time to think about myself and like become happy with myself. And this is what makes me happy. Makeup, YouTube, all this makes me happy. And so that's what I want to do. And it's like, and that's what I'm going to do. And I'm not going to let nobody, no situation, no problems of anybody else, anything stop me from doing that. So that's what I'm saying. I just feel like I have a clear mind. And it's just like, I just feel like I've just been cleansed. And it's like, I just feel good. Like I feel like I'm in a good space to be able to like just do everything I need to do to get to where I want to be in my life, like in my life. Because I'm a junior in college and time is ticking, and when I graduate I want to be able to move and get out of Tennessee, because I just feel like Tennessee doesn't have anything for me. And it's like I'm just ready to move. I'm just ready for something new. So all of 2018, like I'm just really trying to just stay focused on me, my schoolwork, and just my life overall, and uploading videos and just doing stuff that's fun to me and makes me happy. So that's basically what's been going on. And like that's the thing, if you have it in your mind that like in 2018 you're going to be a better person and do better things for yourself, like I feel like you need to do it. Like don't worry about what other people have to say, what other people think of what you're doing, because I have that problem very bad. I have that I've been dealing with that for like all my life. And I'm just now like breaking myself out of that. And I'm about to be 21 years old, and I'm just now breaking myself out of that. So it's like don't stop what you're doing because you feel like somebody isn't gonna like what you're doing and or whatever. You're not on this earth to please nobody. Like the only person you on this earth to please is God. Like, so you could really care less what anybody else has to say about what you're doing or any of that. And that's just like how it is. And that's just what you should do. Because at the end of the day, this is your life. Like this is my life. Like I can do what I want to do with my life, and as long as I'm not out here acting crazy, you know, like, or doing anything off the wall or just out of the way. So I feel like that I'm gonna be different. I mean, it's gonna be a change, like for the better for me in 2018, like everything. So that is like basically where I've been, what I've been doing, what I've been thinking, how I've been feeling, and everything, and all of that. I have a lot of more like video ideas now. I have some hauls coming. I have probably a vlog coming, and like some more makeup videos. Just stay tuned for everything and all of that. Like I love you guys. Like just keep supporting me. Like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.